Now, to delete a mobile phone from the system, up here you've got a little sign or symbol that looks like a cog, so we'll press that. Bluetooth system, traffic, navigation, audio, display, so we want Bluetooth. View Bluetooth device list, search for Bluetooth device, change passkey, external device authorization. So we'll view Bluetooth device list. There you see my phone, and there's a dustbin there. Click the dustbin. Do you want to really delete? Yes, I do. And that's it gone. So that's one of the best systems I've seen as well.